All right, so today we're going to be multiplying binomials. So we're going to be taking the quantity. The first example is going to be the quantity of y minus 3 times the quantity of y plus 5. So whenever you're multiplying binomials, it's best to do the FOIL method, the first, the outers, the inners, and then the last. So I'm going to start with this y here on the left side and multiply it by the y. That'll give me y squared. Then I'm going to take the first y again and multiply it times that 5, which is going to give me a plus 5y. Now I'm going to move to the inners, which is that negative 3, and multiply it times the y. So I'm going to get negative 3y, and then I'm going to do the last, which would be negative 3 times 5, which will get me negative 15. Negative 15. Alright, so now you need to simplify. So anywhere you have like terms, go ahead and combine them together, which would be the 5 and the negative 3, the 5y and the negative 3y. So you need to combine those to get a more simplified answer. So the simplified answer would come down to be y squared plus 2y minus 15. So that is the simplified version, and also this is multiplied out binomial. All right, so we're going to move on to another example. Let's go ahead and do the quantity of x plus 6 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 3. All right, so go ahead and do the FOIL method. So take the two first terms, which is the two x's, multiply those together, you get x squared. All right, so then you want to take the x times the 3 over here on the other side and multiply those together, and you'll get plus 3x. And then you want to go over to the 6, multiply that times this x, which will get you 6x, or plus 6x. Then now you want to do your last, which is 6 times 3, which will give you 18. So you need to simplify this down so you can get a more simplified answer, because sometimes teachers will take off points for not simplifying your answers. So the more simplified answer would be x squared plus 9x plus 18. And that is multiplied out binomial. Let's go ahead and do a couple more, get a couple more examples in. I always like a lot of examples, especially when I was in class and stuff. The more examples, the better for me. All right, so the third one we got here is going to be the quantity of z plus 4 and times the quantity of z minus 2. All right, so go ahead and do the FOIL method again. So z times z will get you z squared, and z times negative 2 will get you 2z. And then you want to move over to the 4 now, which you're doing the inners. So 4 times z will get you a positive 4z. And doing the last now, 4 times negative 2 will get you negative 8. So going ahead and simplifying, you will end up with z squared plus 2z minus 8. And I'm going to do a couple more problems to get that going. Let's do another one. So the quantity of a minus 8 times the quantity of a minus 1. All right, so we got doing the FOIL method again. So a times a will get you a squared. And then a times negative 1 will get you a negative a. A negative 8 times 8 negative 8 times a will get you a negative 8a, and negative 8 times negative 1 will get you a positive 8. So simplifying down, you get an a squared minus 9a plus 8. All right, so let's go ahead and do another one, make this one a little bit more challenging. All right, so let's do a negative a minus negative 3 and a positive a minus 4. All right, so doing the FOIL method, we will get a negative, let's see, a negative a times a will get you a negative a squared. Negative a times a negative 4 will get you a positive 4a. And a negative 3 times a will get you a negative 3a. And a negative 3 times a negative 4 will get you a positive 12. So simplifying down, you get a negative a squared plus a and plus 12. And that is a simplified version of that problem. And that will be the end of this video. I showed 5 different examples of, multiplying binomials. If you need extra help, I'll probably make another video for multiplying binomials. Be sure to stay tuned. There will be more videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one.